Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy of Ahn Co. It's Friday, December 21st. I'm going to go over the market for the day and week. So a lot of negativity in those outside markets as we fear a government shutdown. This is a partial shutdown. They have until this evening, but things just aren't really going that well right now. So you have the Dow market down over 300 points, US dollar up 70 cents, and crude oil lower. And that gives some negative to these markets. On the week, those were the crazy ones for the week. Dow market down over 1,200 points on a weekly chart. Crude oil down almost $6. So you had some really big movers out there that spilled over that negativity to some other markets. Grain markets, you continue to get some good sales, but they just seem like they're not quite good enough. And that's where you get that pressure from soybeans. So soybean market down 15 3/4 on the week. Wheat market had a really rough week as well. So Chicago wheat down 13 3/4, Minneapolis down almost 20 cents, and then Kansas City down over 10 cents lower. Corn somehow was able to hold their own against the rest of them today and on a weekly chart. So today they were up 3 1/4 cents, and corn market was up just over a penny on the week. So nothing huge, but able to fend off that negativity. Could be a sign that managed money is continuing to buy corn. They've been very big buyers of corn over the last month or so. You could be seeing that. The stats are there for corn as long as ethanol can come together, but that's where you're seeing that support. Over the meat markets, pretty quiet trade. Cash trade came in at $1.20 live, and then when you look at what you did as far as it goes for the weeks, feeder cattle down 22.5 cents, live cattle up $1.30, and then lean hogs down just over $2 as well. So some mixed trade there as they fended off those nasty outside markets. What we'll be doing here next week and looking at is two big stories. One will be trade talks, not so much trade talks, but sales. So there's rumors that you'll see a couple more sales before Christmas on soybeans. Monday is your chance to confirm that. And the second one is rains that happen over the weekend for southern Brazil. They're very dry there. And there's forecasted rains, but we'll be watching to see how good those rains are, and then the extended forecast to make sure they get a couple of them. Those are those $1 million rains that we have here into August timeframe. That's what they're looking at right now and that they need. So those will be the two things on the market's eyes coming into Monday, which is a shorter trade on Christmas Eve, and it'll be only open until noon, and then we'll reestablish here on Wednesday. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.